Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jelena, I am mother of two and I am stay-at-home mom, and my channel is all about cleaning, motivation, organization, lifestyle videos, a lot of fitness, DIYs, and anything that has to do with mommy and kids. If this is your first time on my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really hope you will enjoy watching this video and my other videos, and maybe consider clicking that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I am very excited about today's video because I will be participating in a challenge. It is a Clean Closet Challenge, Spring Edition 2019, and this challenge is hosted by two wonderful ladies, Heidi Sonboul and Jessica from Casa Magnolia. If you are not part of their channels yet, I will be linking their channels in the cards up here and also in a description box down below, so you can go ahead and check out their channels as well as their clean closet videos. I will also link the playlist down below so you can see all the other participants and what they did with their closets. The closet that I will be tackling is my master closet, and the problem in my master closet is not really so much organizing it. I keep it pretty neat as much as I can. The problem is amount of clothes that I have. I have so much clothes that I don't really need, that I cannot fit in it anymore, and that are old, and I don't even know why I keep it anymore. So I'm gonna be putting away things that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna donate all that. I also want to take out my winter stuff, and I want to replace it with summer stuff. So I hope you will enjoy watching this video, and let's get started. First, I took everything out of my closet and put it on my bed so I have a clear picture how many things I actually have. Next, I started separating things. I made a pile for donation. I made a pile of things that I'm gonna keep, and pile of things that I still need to try on to see if they're still good for me or not. Also, I put aside things that are for cold weather that I'm gonna put away in a storage. As you can see over here, I'm going through my shoes to see what I'm going to get rid of and what it's gonna stay. Then it's time to vacuum and clean the shelves, and I can start putting things back in place. The shoes that I'm putting back in the closet are actually boots and also shoes that I don't wear that often. And the shoes that I wear often are actually in a mudroom, and you saw that in my mudroom organization video. Over here you see me putting things back on the shelves. On top I decided to put my jeans, sweatpants and leggings, as well as a few t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts that I decided to keep. And on the bottom shelf I have my short sleeve shirts as well as shorts. And as you can see, I am moving things around until I find the perfect fit for everything in my closet. And over here hanging are my blazers, my spring jackets, my dresses and some tank tops. These 3 bags are full of things that I decided to get rid of. I'm gonna be donating all that and it feels so good. Over here I wanted to show you how I fold my shirts. In this case they are active shirts, my gym shirts that are gonna be going in a drawer. I've been folding my things like this for a long time, as well as the way you saw that are in my closet. And over here, this is how I fold my tank tops that are going in a drawer. And next, you're gonna see how I fold my leggings. In this drawer, I am putting all my fitness stuff. First, you will see my leggings. In the middle, first I put my long sleeve shirts, after that short sleeve shirts, and on the right side are my tank tops. Here in my closet is my at-home workout equipment, and over here on the left side is the dirty clothes hamper. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I also hope this gave you motivation to clean out any closet in your house. Don't forget to check out Heidi's and Jessica's channel, as well as the whole playlist where you can see other ladies redoing their closets. Leave me a comment down below what closet in your house needs to be organized the most. Share this video. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.